Mixerr Reviews here in Austin, Texas. We have been receiving quite a massive amounts of rainfall, which is quite unusual in May, for Texas weather that is, because usually here in Texas it doesn't rain a lot during May. It's quite dry and warm. But we have been receiving massive amounts of rainfall. It's almost like we're in Brazil or something. Hear that thunder? We've been hearing that sound for about 2 weeks now. Parts of Austin have been flooded out too. This is quite unusual weather for May in Austin, Texas weather. And this is Mixerr Reviews here reporting on the unusual Austin, Texas weather. See what's over here. Anyway, thanks for watching this video.